like, I forget what, it might be at the end of this line, where this line turns around.
Yeah.
City Hall.
City Hall?
City Hall station.
Okay, that was it.
So
It's like still lit up and stuff, and like really nice. What?
They've been preserving it. It's like an active,
really?
preservation, yeah.
Oh wow, I didn't know that. I saw a video online where some guy actually got to it, was walking around it.
I'll take a picture out here. You can actually rock
Yeah?
You can never do this with a modern train.
No rail fan window.
That's for sure. Hey, outstanding. I rode these in the 50s, in the 60s and the 50s. It was the same train.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Alright, come on everyone. Last stop, last stop.
Dad,